A volatile day for shares of Intel following news its CEO Pat Gelsinger has retired. Seema and Mody here with those details. Hi, Seema.
Hey, Scott, the embattled chipmaker has formed a search committee and is working, quote, diligently to find a permanent successor to Pat Gelsinger. A hedge fund I spoke to this morning thinks Gelsinger's exit increases the chances of Intel's foundry being spun off, perhaps to private equity. Keep in mind, Apollo Capital and Brookfield have already injected capital into Intel's fabrication plants in the past. As Intel, though, attempts to rebuild its competitiveness, expect more focus on Intel's cost structure. Chief Financial Officer David Zinsner, who will act as co-CEO of the company, told me last quarter that Intel is tightly managing capital spending to drive better efficiency to make sure the quality of the balance sheet is in a good place. And that Intel's goal of cost-cutting $10 billion is pretty much done as it wraps up thousands of layoffs. That same hedge fund I spoke to said, however, whoever is appointed CEO of Intel will need to spend more time in Silicon Valley, convincing hyperscalers to fab with Intel, and time in D.C. President-elect Trump has been critical of the CHIPS Act in the past, and the company does need that money to make its foundry ambitions a success. Worth noting, shares started the day higher on that news of Gelsinger's exit, now down 1%, Scott.
Seema, thank you.